Longhorns, look, there they come. Look how their horns are so long. Oh my goodness, look at those horns. They're so long. Hi, baby. So heavy. Look at this one.
Got what? Yeah. It looks like it's always a birthday fence. It is. I know it does. Look at it. He's moving too slow for him. He's gonna go in there. They are.
They beautiful? More coming.
Really like the color.
Thank you for doing this. Now you can paint it. Look at your pony. Wow. We're all done. We're all done, honey. Llega aquí, mi mamá. Ese gato, 4 gatos.